Okay, this was a project that I did in 2020, and before I started, at the edge of the field, the ravine was cut back to about 6 feet deep, and so in order to repair it with the backhoe, I dug a trench. The backhoe buck is 24 inches, so it's about 28 inches wide, and dug a trench 6 feet deep across this ravine. And then I took filter cloth and put it down in the trench up to the downward side, and then a big long piece goes up on the upward side, like the upstream side. Then you fill that gap of trench with broken concrete riprap carefully, because you don't want to rip the cloth. When you get to the level you want, then you fold the cloth over the concrete and then cover the cloth again with concrete to protect it. And so the principle is that any water that's going to soak down through has to go through the filter cloth, therefore leaving the dirt, and then you're able to slow it down. And this particular project got damaged a bit a few weeks after the project was done. We had a 7.5-inch rain, which I've never had in my lifetime. And so it was damaged some. I had to do a little more repairs, but it looks like it's going to hold.